how are you all? I am Bhavna Sahani. I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to my channel The Futuristic Academy. और आज की वीडियो में हम करेंगे कि इंग्लिश में 10th स्टैंडर्ड में बैच 2021 से 22 में क्या पेपर पैटर्न रहेगा, सिलेबस डिलीट हुआ है या नहीं हुआ. We'll gonna study everything today. We're gonna see everything today. ठीक है, सबसे पहली बात मैं ये कहूँगी सिलेबस डिलीट होने की उम्मीदें मत रखिए, बिकॉज सीबीएसई की वेबसाइट पे अभी तक कुछ भी डिलीट नहीं हुआ है. मोर ओवर लेट्स वेट, हमें कुछ नहीं पता. अकॉर्डिंग टू द करंट सिनेरियो हो सकता है आगे जाके कुछ डिलीट हो भी जाए, सो वी हैव टू वेट फॉर दिस. बट नाउ वी विल नॉट वेट फॉर टू स्टार्ट द सिलेबस. वी विल डू एवरी चैप्टर अंटिल द अपडेट कम्स फ्रॉम सीबीएसई. ओके, अब मैं आपका जो इंग्लिश का पेपर है वो मैं 3 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करूंगी. फर्स्ट इज द रीडिंग स्किल्स. ओके, first is reading skills. After reading skills there is writing skills, and writing skills includes grammar also. Okay, so with writing skills I am including grammar as well. Okay, so writing skills and reading skills दोनों की वेटेज 25% है, 25%, 25%, और बाकी जो 50% बचा है वो है लिटरेचर. ओके, सो 50% इज लिटरेचर. तो हमें सब चीज़ों पे बहुत अच्छे से फोकस करना है. ओके, जो रीडिंग स्किल्स है वो 20 मार्क्स का होगा. ओके, रीडिंग स्किल्स विल बी फॉर 20 मार्क्स. जो राइटिंग स्किल्स है अगेन 20 मार्क्स, एंड जो लिटरेचर है वो 40 मार्क्स. सो वी हैव टू फोकस ऑन ऑल दिस थिंग्स. और अब जो पेपर है इंग्लिश का, मैं आपका पेपर भी 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करूंगी, बिकॉज अब सेक्शंस में पेपर नहीं आते हैं, अब पार्ट में पेपर आते हैं. पार्ट ए में आपका कंप्लीटली रीडिंग स्किल्स से रिलेटेड होगा. और रीडिंग स्किल्स में क्या कवर होगा? रीडिंग स्किल्स में अनसीन पैसेजेस कवर होंगे. ठीक है, अनसीन पैसेजेस के अलावा लिटरेचर कवर होगी. और इसी पार्ट ए में हमारा ग्रामर क्वेश्चंस भी कवर होंगे. लेकिन पार्ट ए में जितने भी क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाएंगे वो एमसीक्यू बेस्ड क्वेश्चन होंगे. नेक्स्ट आता है पार्ट बी. ओके, पार्ट बी इज कंप्लीटली राइटिंग स्किल्स एंड लिटरेचर. 2 क्वेश्चंस राइटिंग स्किल्स के होंगे और बाकी लिटरेचर का होगा. ठीक है, जो ये अनसीन पैसेजेस होंगे 2 क्वेश्चंस होंगे, 10 मार्क्स ईच होंगे. ओके, लिटरेचर भी इधर 10 मार्क्स की होगी. ओके, ग्रामर भी इधर 10 मार्क्स की होगी. ठीक है, ये 2 क्वेश्चन होंगे, 10 मार्क्स ईच होंगे, तो ये 20 मार्क्स का हो गया, और ये हो गया आपका 40 मार्क्स. ठीक है, राइटिंग स्किल्स आपके 2 क्वेश्चन होंगे, 5 मार्क्स ईच होंगे, तो ये हो गया आपके 10 मार्क्स के. ओके, एंड लिटरेचर होगी आपकी 30 मार्क्स की. ओके, नाउ आई विल टेल यू हाउ द क्वेश्चंस विल कम. लेट्स स्टडी पार्ट ए. पार्ट ए टॉक्स अबाउट द रीडिंग स्किल्स. ओके, and here your reading skills will be analyzed, your reading skills will be checked. Your first question, जो आपका पहला क्वेश्चन होगा वो होगा 10 मार्क्स का, और फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में आएगा आपका डिस्कर्सिव पैसेज. एक डिस्कर्सिव पैसेज दिया होगा, उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपने रीड करके उसको क्वेश्चंस का आंसर करना है. देयर विल बी 12 क्वेश्चंस आस्क्ड, एंड आउट ऑफ 12 क्वेश्चंस यू हैव टू आंसर ओनली 10 questions. Clear? Out of 12 questions you have to answer only 10 questions. अब ये जो 10 question होंगे ये 1 mark each होंगे. ओके, सो क्या हुआ, ये 10 questions and 1 mark each, तो ये हो गया total 10 marks. Clear? So this is how your first session will come. First question of part A will come actually. Then comes the second question. Second question will be case based factual passage. Okay, again case based factual passage will be given to you. You have to read that, and after reading that you have to answer the questions which will be asked in the paper. Again, this will be for 10 marks. Okay, and in this question again 12 questions will be asked and you have to answer only 10 questions. Okay, and सारे questions 1 mark each होंगे. ओके, सो बेसिकली आपसे 10 क्वेश्चन पूछे जाएंगे, हर एक क्वेश्चन 1 मार्क का होगा, तो टोटल हो गया ये आपका 10 मार्क. तो यहाँ पे आपके अनसीन पैसेजेस के 10 मार्क्स कवर हो गए. अब हम देखते हैं लिटरेचर कैसे आएगी. अब जो नेक्स्ट पार्ट है पार्ट ए का, वो है लिटरेचर. ओके, एंड जो लिटरेचर है, लिटरेचर में बेसिकली आने वाला है आपका थर्ड क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, अब जो थर्ड क्वेश्चन होगा उसमें आपको 2 एक्सट्रैक्ट्स दिए जाएंगे. 2 एक्सट्रैक्ट्स मतलब आरटीसीज, 2 आरटीसीज दिए जाएंगे. ओके, एंड यू हैव टू आंसर एनी वन. और ये जो आरटीसीज दिए जाएंगे या तो ये चैप्टर्स में से होंगे, दैट मीन्स प्रोज, या फिर ये ड्रामाज में से होंगे. ठीक है, और हर एक आरटीसीज में 5 क्वेश्चन पूछे जाएंगे. हर 5 क्वेश्चन 1 मार्क के होंगे. There will be 5 parts of 1 mark each. So this question will be for 5 marks. Okay, so your third question will be for 5 marks. Okay, now let's come to fourth question. Okay, fourth question again will be from literature. अगेन इसमें 2 एक्सट्रैक्ट्स दिए जाएंगे, आरटीसी मतलब. ठीक है, एंड ये दिए जाएंगे इस बार पोएम्स में से. ओके, एंड आउट ऑफ 2 एक्सट्रैक्ट्स यू हैव टू आंसर एनी वन. ओके, एंड अगेन इसमें 5 पार्ट्स होंगे, 5 क्वेश्चन पूछे जाएंगे और 1 मार्क ईच होंगे. सो दिस विल बी फॉर 5 मार्क्स. सो अगेन क्वेश्चन 4 विल बी फॉर 5 मार्क्स. Okay, then fifth question of part A will be from grammar. और ग्रामर में क्या क्या आ सकता है आपको पता होना चाहिए, क्योंकि 9th में भी आपने ये सब टॉपिक कर रखे हैं. एडिटिंग, एडिटिंग के अलावा आ गया ओमिशन, ओमिशन के अलावा आ गया गैप फिलिंग, गैप फिलिंग के अलावा आ गया डायलॉग राइटिंग. Okay, and apart from dialogue writing there can be jumbled sentences. Okay, clear? After that, what will be the topics which will be covered and how many questions will be asked? In grammar, the questions which will be asked, there will be total 12 MCQs. Okay, and these 12 MCQs you have to answer only 10 MCQs. Okay, one more thing I forgot to tell you, that all these question, okay, all these question in parts of question 1, question 2, question 3, question 4, question 5, it will be completely MCQ based. So basically part A is completely MCQ based. Okay, and what all the topics will be covered here? Tenses, modals. Apart from these two, there will be preposition, determiners, subject verb concord. Okay, and apart from these two, there will be reported speech, and in reported speech you have to study about all the 3 things, that is statement, questions, and command and request. Okay, then in clauses, relative clauses will come. Okay, apart from relative clauses, there will questions from nouns. Okay, adverbs, and in adverbs there can be condition and related adverbs. Okay, adverb clauses of condition and time. Okay, clauses of condition and time. So these are all the topics which will be covered in your paper. Okay, I'm repeating again: tenses, modal, prepositions, okay, statement, Then one more topic is here, use of passive voice. You don't have to worry, I'll make video on each and every topic, I'll explain it to you, okay, and everything I'll make it so easy for you. I'll assure you that everything I'll make so easy for you, okay. Then let's come to part B. Okay, as I told you, part B is for 40 marks again, and it comprises of writing skills plus literature. Literature is for 30 marks and writing skills is for 10 marks. Okay, writing skills is for 10 marks. So your first question, I'm really sorry, there's some problem with my pen tab. So first question, your first question will be related to the, it will be first thing, it will be for 5 marks, okay, and it will consist of formal letter. Okay, it will be consisting of formal letter. Yes, and in this 2 questions will be asked and you have to answer any one out of 2, which you will gonna find it easy. Okay, it will be for 5 marks and you have to answer in 100 to 120 words. Okay, and then comes to second question. Second question will be for 5 marks again, and in second question there will be an analysis paragraph writing. Okay, and what you have to do in analysis paragraph writing, there will be given to you a map will be given to you or charts will be given to you. It will be based on maps, it can be based on charts, it can be based on any tabular information or etc. It can be based on anything. You just have to analyze that table and you have to write a paragraph. Again, here 2 questions will be given to you and you have to answer any one. Again, this will be for 100 to 20 words. Okay, then let's come to next question. Third question of your paper will be completely based on literature. First, very short answers will be there, and in very short answers there will be 6 questions. Okay, 3 from first flight and 3 from footprints without feet. Okay, clear, footprints without feet. Again, you have to answer any 2 question of first flight. Okay, and again you have to answer any 2 question of footprint without feet. Each question will be for 2 marks. Okay, and you have to answer 4 questions and it is of 2 marks each. Then this question will comprises 8 marks. Okay, then after this comes the fourth question. Fourth question is short answer type question. Okay, and in short answer type question there will be 6 questions asked to you again. Okay, okay, very short, you have to answer in 20 to 30 words. Okay, and in short answer type question, 3 question will be from first flight again and 3 question will be from footprints without feet. Again, in this you have to answer any 2 question, and in this also you have to answer any 2 questions. So basically you have to answer 4 questions and each question will be for 3 marks. So this will be for 12 marks. Your fourth question will be for 12 marks. Clear? Okay, and you have to answer this in 40 to 50 words. I'm really sorry again for this. 40 to 50 words. Okay, then let's come to fifth question. Fifth is again long answer type question, and fifth question will be from first flight. Okay, 2 questions will be given to you. You have to answer any one. Okay, this will be for 5 marks and it will, you have to answer it this in 100 to 120 words. Okay, and in this question your creativity and imagination, both these things will be analyzed. Okay, So teacher will going to analyze your creativity and your imagination, the checker. Okay, then let's come to the another question. Another question is sixth question. Again, it is for 5 marks. Again, it is long answer type question. Okay, 2 questions will be asked, and out of 2 questions, you have to answer any one. Okay, again, in this, your creativity and imagination will be analyzed clear, and you have to answer this in 100 to 120 words, and here your paper ends. So part A plus part B, okay, 40 marks each. So it comprises for paper 80 marks, and 20 marks is in the hand of your teacher. So you have to impress your teacher as usual. Okay, apart from this, I'm telling you the books, NCERT books, which you have to refer. For literature, it is First Flight. Okay, and for supplementary, it is Footprints Without Feet. Okay, and if you ask me that which book should we refer for grammar practice plus writing skills, I'll suggest you together with. Okay, so I'll suggest you together with for grammar, okay, plus for writing skill. Okay, so if you have any doubts related to the pattern of the topic, you can comment in the comment section below. If you want to contact me related to the any classes on any chapter or any notes, you can contact me. The details of the contact details is basically given in my description box. And if you are understanding whatever I'm saying, and if you're liking my video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Ring the bell icon to get the notification for my upcoming classes, and moreover, I have made a Telegram channel for you all where I'm going to activate voice chats, and you can message me your doubts over there. And if you want me to make a video on a specific topic, you can message me there. Okay, so stay safe, stay home, and see you in the next video. Bye bye everyone.